Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript while loop. The while loop loops through the block of code as long as a specified condition is true. Let me give an example. Let's come in here and type script, and within a script tag I'm gonna type in here while parenthesis I less than 10 and then curly braces, and within curly braces I'm gonna type in here say log the number is colon, and then I'm gonna concatenate I. Hit save. I is not defined. Alright, let's come in here and type I equals 0 and before let, and never forget to increment your variable here, otherwise this loop will run forever and it will crash your browser as well. Hit save and we get the number is 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to 9. We have got another variation of this while loop, which is do while. Let me give an example. Let's delete this for now and type in here do curly braces, and then I'm gonna type while parenthesis and curly braces, and just come in here and type log within quotes. I'm gonna type in here the number is colon, and I'm gonna concatenate here I. Also define I equals 0, and let's type in here let, and then I'm gonna come here and type I less than 10, then copy this code from here and paste it here, and then I'm also gonna increment it I plus plus semicolon and hit save. I actually forgot to increment I here, I plus plus. Let's close it and I'm gonna restart my server. Let's open Chrome DevTools and click on this console, and here it is. Now what this do while does is actually the loop will always be executed at least once, even if the condition is false, because the code block is executed before the condition is tested. So that was all about while and do while. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.